all started in 1972 when late Mr. Ram Bapat ventured with the idea of independent operations with one product of speed monitoring instrument called Raymond, which was based on electrodynamic principle. It was first of its kind concept and product, and Mr. Bapat decided to name the venture after the name of his beloved wife, JAYASHREE. Mrs. JAYASHREE Bapat, a science graduate, along with Mr. Bapat, played an important role in consolidating this new venture.
In the initial days, some bank work correspondence and any bank documentation and so on. I did it and was with my husband as an associate. Slowly, parts started getting created and the product was made. Once the product was created, it was tested in Mysore Kirloskar. It was a successful testing. Slowly, the production started. At the beginning, we sold 12 Raymond.
Against all the odds, the couple worked with grit and passion to realize Mr. Bapat's vision to empower the nation with import substitute products.
Actually, after the 1965 Pakistan war, there was a scarcity of technical goods coming to India from Russia and other countries. Mr. Bapat was experiencing it, he was observing it that India should progress very fast to cope up with international technology, and he decided that we must produce products indigenously. It was a good sign at that time that government was promoting small scale entrepreneurs to come up and to have developed small products. On that basis, government had specially allotted small plots to small entrepreneurs in MIDC area. The product developed and patented by Mr. Bapat was so nice and so indigenous that government sanctioned the funds immediately, and a fund of rupees 1 lakh in time of 1972 was made available in short time.
Facing all the odds and challenges, steadily, JAYASHREE Electro Devices carved out its unique space as a pioneer manufacturer in safety switches of bulk material handling conveyors, brushless motors and drives. JAYASHREE safety switches like pull cord switch, belt sway switch and belt watch system over the years have raised the bar of enhanced safety levels.
The basic product development is vertical and horizontal, and we are doing continuous product development for last 50 years. We always want happy customers based on delivery and quality, and never want to be the cheapest vendor for the customers. And we are happy that we have retained almost 90% of the customers over last 50 years.
As the development of new products and subcontracting activities started, around 1978, Mr. Bapat realized that JAYASHREE Group must undertake the production and development of electronic products for automation and industry. Understanding the need of the hour and to acquire the pace with the progressing world, Mr. Dhananjay Dapke, a young postgraduate in physics and electronics, joined the JAYASHREE Group in 1980 and started developing electronic products for automation and industry.
It was a very struggling period to produce a product, to prove it and to demonstrate it to customers that how it is useful in long term than buying a electrical conventional product.
Soon, under the leadership of Mr. Dapke, JAYASHREE Electron was established in 1982 as one of the pioneers in automation and control products for speed, precision and power.
Once the first electronic product was accepted by Indian industry, we started developing new products as per customers' requirement. Practically a new product was developed every year, and today after 40 years of developing electronic products, we have more than 40 products in our cap.
Over the years, JAYASHREE Electron has shown rapid growth with the introduction of several new control and safety products like advanced types of proximity switches, electronic speed switches, level sensors, electronic brakes, sequence timers and transducers. Today, JAYASHREE Electron is the leading soft starter manufacturer in the country with 10,000 plus installations around the globe with design and manufacturing capacity of 1,000 soft starters per year. Carrying forward the legacy, JAYASHREE Group carved out its unmatched space with its high-quality products and solutions. In 1996, second generation from Bapat family, Mr. Milind Bapat and Deepali Bapat, both technocrats from newly emerging globalized country, formed a third JAYASHREE unit known as JAYASHREE Encoders.
Every JAYASHREE Group company started because of changing customer need. JAYASHREE Encoder was no exception. In 1996, we started getting lot of imported optical encoders for repair. At the same time, we saw diminishing requirement of DC tacho generators produced by JAYASHREE Electro Devices. We therefore decided to start manufacturing optical encoders in India. This time we took a bit different route. We tied up with an American optical encoder manufacturer, Encoder Products Company USA, and started manufacturing in India under their collaboration. This collaboration is still very strong and we are now producing lot of products that are produced.
JAYASHREE Encoder produces high precision rotary shaft encoders under the popular brand name called JAYANcoder, the perfect coder with more than 200,000 installations across the globe. The JAYANcoder brand offers encoders in all the industry standard packages.
I would say that now we are a full-fledged encoder manufacturing activity and fully equipped for the coming period to build ultra-modern encoders in India.
JAYASHREE demonstrated and designed the first dynamic impedance type soft starter in 1978. That time it was not the product selling, it was the concept selling. The Indian standard and industry standard was laid after this first installation was made by JAYASHREE, and then probably we were the trend setters for this type of solutions for the industrial automation and industrial power energy consumption.
As the soft starter business kept growing, soon a dire need to have a dedicated space for operation was felt. Taking the baton forward in 2008, a second generation from Dapke family, Mr. Mihir Dapke and Mrs. Namita Dapke came forward and offered a new dimension of business development and administration.
The soft starter facility has a capacity to test the soft starters up to 35 megawatt of power at 17 kV. Every soft starter that we have supplied since 1978 is our marketing soldier. And we are committed to build such army and keep doing the better work that we have been doing for last over 40 years.
Throughout this progressive growth, what has remained constant is the strong foundation of high standard morale and ethics laid down by our top management, and of course the very close relation that we share with all our team members. Our employees, they have been our asset, and throughout the ups and downs, what has been strong for us, what has been our strength is our relationship with our employees.
JAYASHREE Group's team of over 350 professionals and the network of sales representatives and dealers are always working around the clock, thus upholding the commitment towards the customer. Today, with its unmatched state-of-the-art and environment-friendly facilities, JAYASHREE Group of companies are engrossed in defining newer paradigms. All the JAYASHREE Group plants are well equipped with all modern manufacturing facilities to produce high-quality products. Undoubtedly, the JAYASHREE Group is set to create another 50 glorious years of quality and reliability. Another 50 passionate years of innovation and inventions. Another 50 fiery years of grit and perseverance. And another 50 exhilarating years of accolades and achievements.